Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome. It is my absolute pleasure to work with you on your journey on leadership and decision making course. My name is Dr. Zia. I am an academician, educationist, trainer, consultant, and an executive coach. Currently, I am serving as faculty member in a university through teaching as well as supervising research from all undergrad to postgraduate level. First of all, I really appreciate that you have subscribed to my channel and watching this lecture. I'm sure that you will begin to learn, understand, and what it takes to create, to build, and to foster leadership in your department, organization, among yourselves, and in your region, or even at country level. Now, I have a question for you. Of course, I do as a teacher. So, pause for a while, listen to my question, and comment below. What comes in your mind when you hear or read the term leadership? I would recommend that you pause this video and comment below. Okay. Now, I would guess that you are all guessing correctly because you know the course is about leadership. So you are guessing, well, it must be about leading people or managing teams. You know, in today's world, globally leaders are worried about human capital and they're looking for leaders. Now, academically speaking, leadership is the process of influencing others to achieve organizational goals. Leadership is an interaction between leader, the follower, and the situation. So, three things. It is important to tell you that maximum organizations fail not due to resources but due to lack of leadership. And my dear learners, let me tell you something, that a war is going on, what I call the war of leadership, where organizations are searching for leaders who possess the abilities to lead teams as well as work as team players and steer organization through today's turbulent, dynamic, fluctuating environment and put the organization on fast progress. Based on this, my next 4 questions are there. I would recommend you to hold for a while, pause this video and listen to my questions and comment below. Let me see what comes in your mind and then you check or restart my video. All right. The first question, where will they find the leaders? I'm talking about the organizations. Where will they find the leaders? Number 2, how will they attract them to their organizations, to bring into their organizations? Number 3, and how will they keep them? Retention of leaders is very important nowadays. And the last question, how will they grow leaders in their organizations? These 4 questions are critical because in every organization, decision making is based on the quality of leaders they possess. All right. So, in some culture today, people are opting in and opting out of job faster than ever. I'm here to inspire you with some very important concepts that can be applied to your team, your departments, your region, or even for your entire country. Now, this is what I call the leadership pathway. I want to travel with you. So let's travel together on leadership pathway. But where do we begin? This is my first lecture on leadership. So where do we begin? We should begin with what I call the house of leadership. The house of leadership. House of leadership is constructed by 4 components. Number 1, credibility. Number 2, vision. Number 3, communication. Number 4, achievement. This leads to the roof, what I call the roof of leadership, of the house of leadership. In these 4 components, the most important component, or the first and the foremost component I call, is credibility, because no vision can be articulated without credibility. And the second one is vision, and without vision nothing may be communicated or transmitted. And the third one, what I call, is communication, and without communication nothing may be what we call achieved. So remember the 4 components of leadership that are the base, that are what we call 1 base, 2 pillars, 1 base credibility, 2 pillars vision and achievement, and 1 makes the roof, that is ultimate leadership, to complete the house of leadership. I hope you enjoyed the introductory lecture on leadership. Remember, do press the subscribe button below in this video, and if you like this video, please press the like button as well. And if you want to get more detail on this lecture, click the link below. I have attached the link below this video. You can find out Academy of Research. And let me tell you, my name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. See you soon in next lecture. Thank you very much.